Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook palitaw. We call in our language Ilonggo is Inday Indays. It's like sweet rice with coconut milk. First thing to do, I need to put the inside the bowl we call mochiko or the powder sweet rice, and then we have to add water. Estimate like when you're making dough, it seems like a flour until it get like sticky and okay. So you have to mix it well, and so it can stick together. And also you have to round and you have to point like mark of your one finger here. So we call it in the Philippines, guy, is dessert. One of my favorite dessert in the Philippines called like sweet rice. So as you can see, and you repeat round, and you put the, see, it's done now. And then while I'm doing that, I need to boil the water. And also we have shredded coconut, young coconut. We have to make that is like a bukayo, and we have to add brown sugar. It's estimate like 1 cup. It's up to you if you want to add more or you really like sweet. And then you have to stir it well, and then as you can see, you make that sticky, and I add that little bit of water to make it softer the coconut, shredded coconut. So maybe like 1/4 cup of water, and then you have to simmer it until the coconut it gets soft and the sugar it gets sticky. While I'm doing that, and I'm boiling the water, and also I put that maybe like a half of coconut milk. We bought only in Walmart. So, and after that, guys, you have to mix it well and keep repeat the doing until the shredded coconut is soft and also the sugar gets sticky. So now the water is boiling. I need to add the sweet rice dough, and then as you can see, you can tell that if the sweet rice is cooked when you see the sweet rice dough, it's floating on the water. So that means it's ready to transfer and add to the bukayo. We call it bukayo, which I make the coconut, shredded coconut and brown sugar only, and I put a little bit of water and also half cup of coconut milk. So I mix it well, and then I simmer it maybe like 4 minutes. Some of them, guys, you just put there on the top of the sweet rice, boiling sweet rice, and add sesame seeds. But mine, before that, I will put the little bit of water and simmer it, so it's making sure the texture of the dough sweet rice is really cooked, no? And if you want like little bit have soup, then you can add more coconut milk and make simmer it. So now it's ready. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. Don't forget to post the notification. So it's very delicious, authentic dessert from Philippines.